Hey, this is Ryan from the Gathering Pool, and today I'm going to go over my didgeridoo voice I like to use. This I kind of stumbled on out of necessity and frustration because I've never played a didgeridoo and I couldn't get my hands on one, so I started messing around with this idea I had of wanting a didgeridoo, but to have actual lyrics and use it as a harmony. What I like to do is start with my hum. And then I use my tongue and kind of the way I'm holding my face and my facial muscles to move around to get that texture that you would hear with a didgeridoo. And you could do that. I do it this closed mouth with just kind of my lips just perched open just a little bit. Be sure to stay out of your nasal cavity too. You don't want that tone. So when you got that going, you're texturizing it like you would a didgeridoo, trying to mimic the sound the best you can. But then I like to bring in lyrics and harmonize. You know, if you have certain words within the phrasing that, you know, are more important. And as you can kind of open your mouth a little bit more, almost like it brings out that sound like a Gregorian choir. So as far as effects go, I just like to use a big reverb. I've always loved that sound when a didgeridoo kicks on it like a big stadium progressive rock band. You know, it's completely encompassing. It just saturates the whole place. When I record this technique, I like to really pay attention to my volume meters. I like a nice even level across the board. It's a good opportunity to work on your vocal dynamics. You know, if the part calls for really soft to loud dynamics, that's great. But something like this, you know, you're not really using a lot of changes in volume, and that's good. And I don't like to rely on plugins for that kind of stuff. Well, that's pretty much it. I'm Ryan from the Gathering Pool. I'd love to hear you guys' spin on this, so post your questions or your MP3s in the comments below. Thanks.